That's a bold claim. And it smells like new as well. Refurbished phones are normally graded from A to C. A is the very best quality with very small amount of marks and scratches, and C is the lowest quality with more marks and scratches. But when it comes to Aznu refurbished phones, there is nothing like grading. Aznu claim all their phones are in absolutely pristine condition, and there is no marks or scuff or scratches. No matter how hard you look at the phone, you will see nothing. Aznu claim there is no difference between a new phone and the refurbished phones they make. So they are trying to say their phones inside the box look exactly like a new phone. That's a bold claim. All their phones come with a 12 months warranty, and you will get an antivirus inside the box. In this video, I will be unboxing the Aznu Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Without wasting your time, let's get started. I like the packaging. The box of the phone look really nice. Nice packaging. That's a nice box. Let's have a look at the back. Premium refurbished phone, approved cable and charger, 12 months warranty, antivirus included. So that's everything you get with the phone. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Oh, this is so hard. Okay, it's hard, but I've done it. That's a nice packaging. I like it. Now let's have a look at the phone. Is it as good as they say? Does it have any scratches? Let me take this off. Okay, so far it looks really nice. There's no marks, there's no scratches, there's no scarf, there's nothing so far. Let's have a look at the back. The back look nice as well. There's no marks, there's no crack, there's nothing. It looks new so far. Yeah, it looks new. That's not bad. So the phone actually look new, exactly as they said. So Aznu didn't lie, and it smells like new as well. It smells like new. It look new. It smells like new. What's inside the box? A quick start guide. Okay. The antivirus, I think. Yeah, the antivirus. That's the antivirus. You get a USB cable. It's new adaptive fast charger. So this is a new charger. This is a new USB Type-C cable. And there it is, a SIM ejection P. So you can use this to take out your SIM. And that's it. That's everything in the box. Here is a free antivirus for anyone who's interested. So you can redeem the code and get your free antivirus for 1 year, I think. But let me go ahead and power up the phone. Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus powered by Android. It is turning on. Okay, let me set this up and I will get back to the video. The Aznu Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus look and work like new. I am so impressed. Well done, Aznu. Guys, let me know what you think about this Aznu phone in the comment section. Will you spend money on a perfect refurbished phone? Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again next time.